This is a review of the Budge Lite car cover. That's a size 3 for your mid-size vehicles that we're going to be doing a review about. In this review, we're going to show you guys everything about this car cover. So one thing I love about this car cover is that you could use this for outdoors, and also you could use this for indoors as well too. It protects it from the UV sun rays, from the sun elements. As you guys know, when you park your car outside, the paint and it could get damaged over time. This car cover will definitely do the job as well too. One thing I love about it is that it comes with a storage bag. So for example, if you're not going to use it, you can just put it in the storage bag and keep it inside, which is a huge plus for them to provide a storage bag. Another thing I love is that it comes with the elastic strap as well too, so you could use this to tie it up whenever, for example, there's like wind and storms or anything like that, any windy conditions. You could use that to equip it on to make sure your cover doesn't fly off. And here's the cover itself here too, which I do want to show you guys. So this cover right over here, I just love the fact that the material of this is really high quality, and it really protected from the from the sun, from the harsh elements, as you guys know, from the rain and stuff that could over time damage your paintwork. And right over here you can see the material. I just really love the material on this thing. Elastic, where it could also move around. You can maneuver it however you want it as well too. It's really big size. You can see how big it is. Perfect for your mid-size vehicle or a 4-door sedan as well too. This car cover that I have right over here, it's going on a 2011 Mustang, and it fits it very well as I tested it. And overall, I just want to show you guys up close of the material. You can see here how high quality it is, perfect for the outdoors. And if you have a car that's parked outside, this would definitely do the job. And overall, I would definitely recommend this car cover if you're looking for a car cover to protect from the harsh elements from the sun, and you're wanting to protect it from the UV sun rays, pretty much all the elements from the outdoors. Then this car cover right over here is probably one of the best ones to get. You can see how good the quality is right over here. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this car cover if you're looking for a size 3 mid-size car cover for your sedan, or for any car in particular that's a mid-size that is a size 3. Then this one right over here is probably one of the best ones to get, and I would definitely recommend this car cover.